Welcome! Today we're showing you how you can install your Rogers Xfinity Entertainment Box and pair your Rogers Xfinity Voice Remote. Let's go! Enjoy all the entertainment you want, the way you want it, with Rogers Xfinity TV or Rogers Streaming. Before installing your entertainment box, make sure your internet gateway is online. You can watch our video on how to install your Rogers Xfinity gateway for more information. First, let's take a look at what your package includes. You should have the Rogers Xfinity Entertainment Box, Rogers Xfinity Voice Remote, HDMI cable, and a power adapter. To get started, connect the provided HDMI cable to the entertainment box, and then to an available HDMI port on your TV. Take note of the HDMI port number you have chosen. You'll need that later. Next, connect the provided power adapter to the entertainment box. Then, plug it into an electrical outlet. Using your current TV remote, turn on your TV and select the HDMI input number you've connected your entertainment box to. Next, remove the pull tab on the back of your voice remote. Now, simply point your remote at your set-top box and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the entertainment box and your voice remote. That's it! Now you can enjoy all your favorite entertainment from Rogers.